tonight, we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My kids start back to school this Thursday, so I'm excited to share with you this back to school refrigerator organized, and I'm also doing a small grocery haul and organizing the smaller pantry we have that's just to the left of the fridge. So this is what my fridge looks like right now. It's not terrible, but definitely not great. We've only had this fridge for about 5 months now, and it's very spacious, which is definitely what I was looking for when we were purchasing a fridge. And I've tried several different ways to organize it and haven't really found one that stuck. I've even removed shelves and done a ton of rearranging, and somehow things always seem to get lost, so it was definitely time to get it organized. I call this space here the side pantry. We actually have a walk-in pantry just around the corner, and I did a pantry organize and transform video, and I will link it right here if you haven't seen it. But I like having this space right here in the kitchen to grab everything I need to make breakfast, school lunches, and snacks, after school snacks and stuff. I don't know about you, but I am not a morning person, and I never have been. So that's why getting these spaces organized was very important to me.
And know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
Condiments are always something that gets completely out of control in our house, or expired, or things like cocktail and tartar. They only have like a little bit gone, but then they expire and you have to throw them out. We are definitely sauce people, and my husband loves buying sauces from restaurants that are specific to that restaurant. So like Firehouse has a ton of different sauces, and like the little mom and pop places here in Tucson, we just enjoy buying all their sauces.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
I love finding these shelf liners. I find them at either Marshall's or Home Goods. I should probably use them all over my fridge, but I usually just put one down underneath whatever I'm trying to defrost for dinner.
I met you in the
I had a quick Walmart grocery delivery that I will share. My kids love the Capri Sun roaring waters. It's about the only time I could get them to drink water. And my local grocery store had strawberries for 97 cents. So I grabbed 2 and also some stuff to make the strawberry shortcake. I couldn't believe it. I love arugula. I will eat it on everything. And although this was a very small haul, it was not cheap because we were out of everything at the same time. We were almost out of all of our milks, juices, all of our fruit. Oh, don't you hate it when that happens? Yeah, so the mangoes right there, those extra large ones, they were 3 for $5. I thought that was great. And these Jimmy Dean croissants, my kids will eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm fine with that as long as they're eating something.
summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
I just wanted to take a minute to apologize for not posting for the past few weeks. Summer got crazy with the wedding we went to in Denver on the 3rd of July, and we stayed there another week after that, and then my kids were in Alabama with their grandparents for 2 weeks after that. And I know that should have been prime posting time, but when I tell you I got so much done while they were away that it was hard to stop. But I'm back in full swing now. I just got out all of my fall bins and I cannot wait to decorate. I know it's way too early for some, but I do focus most of my channel on decorating inspiration and motivation. And I like to go ahead and give you details on where I got certain items and ideas on how to style them, so you have plenty of time to go to the stores or shop online, so you will already have some inspiration when you are ready to decorate your home. I love this green scraper so much. It has a plastic razor on it and I use it for everything, like the island, the countertops. It's great for removing price stickers on everything, and I love using it on my stove. It doesn't scratch any of the surfaces that I've tried it on. I got it on Amazon and I'll link it down below if you're interested, but it has made my life so much easier. Another challenge I have with trying to keep it clean and tidy in here is we have a rabbit. It's my daughter's and she is in charge of her and feeds her and all of that. So I like to keep everything for her really easy to get to. So I've basically given her almost 2 entire crispers to use. Things that her rabbit eats daily is romaine, radish, small amounts of green pepper, bok choy, and greens. And also a wide variety of herbs like cilantro, parsley, and mint, which is what I just put in those containers in the pull-out drawer. Somehow the herbs always turn wilty before they get used. Sometimes I will put them in a jar of water and that works for the most part. But if you have any helpful tips on keeping herbs and lettuce fresher longer, please let me know in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear your advice. I have a few of the Home Edit line clear pull-out drawers, which are what these are, and they do work well, but everything else I have found for much cheaper at places like Marshall's and Home Goods. And I know it's not recommended to keep your milk and stuff like that in the drawer, or that's what I heard, but it's been working for us, and I truly believe in doing what works for you and for your family. So let's go over to the sink for just a second and get our fruits washed and put away. I find that things get eaten more if they are already off of their stems, clean and cut.
I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
I know I talked a little bit about fall a few minutes ago, and now I'm curious. How many of you have even thought about fall yet? Or shopped for fall? And if you have, where are you finding all the best stuff? Let me know. I really love chatting with you guys.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer.
I love to cook and we like having leftovers, so I wanted a specific place in the fridge where I could put them, where everyone could see them, and a place where we didn't stack a ton of things on top of them so they would get eaten and not lost and thrown away.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
So we are now moving over to the side pantry, and I'm just going to take almost everything out so I can bring in a few things from the other pantry. I like to keep cereals over here and things for pancakes like syrup, powdered sugar. On the top up there, it's just kind of where I throw all my back stock and stuff, but we are just going to focus on the other shelves down below today. There is also an outlet in here, and that's where I like to charge a few of my handheld vacs and scrubbers.
Clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
I wanted to replace these huge, bulky cereal containers, and Walmart had these clear storage containers on sale for $8, and I thought they would work great.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again.
Now I'm just going through and making sure I have all of the snacks and drinks that we use on a daily basis all in bins, organized, and restocked.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this.
This Ziploc bag organizer is so handy. I have to keep it over here in the side pantry because this kitchen doesn't have a lot of drawer space, but it just keeps me so organized. I don't have to deal with boxes that are like crushed and ripped, and I found it on Amazon if you are interested.
Party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah
So here's how everything turned out. I feel so much better, and I might even be ready to start this back to school madness. Please let me know how you thought it all turned out, and just know that you don't have to be super fancy or have a Pinterest worthy fridge to be organized. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. So much decorating content coming up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.